How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Hello friends, in this video I will share with you an effective remedy to get your skin silky. First, we need 1 tablet of vitamin E and we need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then mix all the ingredients very well. When the ingredients combine, take it and massage your dry skin for 2 minutes and leave it for a few minutes on your skin. Finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.